Remember what Roshi said, what is that? The fundamental delusion of humanity is that I am here and you are over there. I didn't say it. That was the same guy, you know. Come on. Right? I could say it. But yes, sir.
So where does somebody start if they're completely locked in that with no, I guess you start with a
You can't start if they're completely locked into that. That's the point. That's why we spend so much time prying open assumptions and conclusions. You can't really start unless you have some openness, right? Or some nothing from which to come.
Yeah. So
Otherwise, just, just know it's obvious.
Right.
If we go out there, right, if we go down to Dollar General and we talk to anybody down there, they'll clearly say, yes, this is who I am, this is where I am, and that's it.
Yeah.
And if we said anything like I just said, they would say, you're stupid. It's like stupid, you know? Or I say, oh, yes, I like philosophy. Whatever, you know. I understand completely. Now, also, I want you to consider, see, because, you entertain these notions because, you're spiritual kind of guys, right? And, you're hanging out in this thing here, doing this thing, right? See, so it's like, why are you here? See, so you consider this kind of shit, Okay, that's fine. Yeah, but notice in the background, it's like, probably, I don't really give a shit, It's kind of interesting, but it's not my experience. It's not my experience, right? It's who I am. So we stick with that. Okay, that's fine. But now, and you say, but it's so real, so real, it's so real. And what all his babbling isn't real at all. It's just sounds like airy-fairy nonsense. See? I just want you to consider, just consider, right, that the realness of it is the same dynamic. It is the survival. It is the self-doing self. It's very important to us, you see. This whole world is that, our experienced world. It has to be, see, that's why it's so strong and important. It's our whole self-survival business here. And I'm kind of fucking with it. I didn't say there was no self yet, okay? I just said, but not a self-object, right? Maybe not a self-object. Maybe not, located somewhere. So you have some openness, yeah? In your contemplation.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.